Welcome to DeepPocket, the personal finance app that helps you become a savings superstar without giving up the lifestyle you love. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use DeepPocket BASIC, the free version of the app. Let's get started. First, head over to the Google Play Store and download DeepPocket BASIC and install it. After you install the app, open it and tap on Scan SMS button to get started. Once the scan is complete, your financial data for the current month will be displayed right on your phone. If you have multiple bank accounts, DeepPocket BASIC pulls everything together into one convenient view. Here, you will see important details like the total number of income credits, debits, and credit card transactions for the month. But the best part, the app shows you your net savings across all accounts, helping you to get a quick snapshot of your savings rate. This is really handy because it lets you identify any idle money sitting in your accounts, money that could be put to better use like making investments, planning a vacation, upgrading your car, or even buying the new device you have been eyeing. Want to get more specific? Just select the bank and account you're interested in, and DeepPocket will show you your net savings and other details for that account. You can even go back and view your savings for any month and year. It's perfect for tracking past trends or spotting spending patterns. DeepPocket BASIC tracks your credit card spending too. It'll show you how many credit card transactions you have made and how much you have spent. This helps you stay on top of your finances, avoid unnecessary expenses, and manage your credit card usage smartly. Want to see how your financial habits are shaping up? Tap on Period-Wise button to get a view of your savings trends over the last 6 months. It's a great way to see the big picture. Next, tap on Show button to reveal your balances both bank-wise and account-wise. You can even explore your savings trends and balances for any month over the past year. Just pick a month and year, and the app will give you the insights for that period. This feature helps you track your progress and make informed decisions about your finances. Buying a new phone? No worries. With DeepPocket's backup SMS feature, you can securely save your data and restore it on your new phone in just a few simple steps. Use the Upload Backup feature and email or store your data to your preferred cloud drive. When you set up DeepPocket BASIC on your new phone, tap on Restore from Backup SMS option and simply download the file, and you're ready to go. Your data is restored effortlessly. You can also export your data by tapping on Download CSV, which creates a file that you can open in Excel for further analysis. And if you need to track a transaction that does not appear in your SMS alerts, use the Manual Entry option. Simply select your bank and account and whether it's a credit or debit transaction to save the details. It's perfect for cash transactions or other entries that don't show up in your messages. DeepPocket BASIC is a great tool for anyone looking to get a better handle on their finances. There are no ads, no in-app purchases, and it's completely free. We believe privacy is a fundamental human right. In line with this policy, DeepPocket BASIC app is designed and built such that no data of yours is stored or shared in any external server. DeepPocket BASIC is a free-of-cost tool that is secure, smart, and easy way to manage your finances. So, what are you waiting for? Download DeepPocket BASIC app today and start your journey to become a savings superstar.